Hi friends, today I will show you how to remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019. Let's begin. First, open your Premiere software. This is the interface of the Premiere Pro. Now open your folder. Drag and drop your green screen footage in Premiere Pro into your timeline. This right click, unlink. This is your video timeline and this is your audio timeline. First, listen.
Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good.
Now we will remove this green screen in Ultra key. Search Ultra key. See the Ultra key is here. Drag and drop into your video footage. Now go to your effects control. First use crop key. First use crop, left should be 8, right should be 8. Now go to your Ultra key. Now select this key and click this one and output mode. Go to Composite to Alpha channel. Open your matte cleanup. Now go to your contrast. Keep 100%. Midpoint keep 100%. If any like this is there means go to your shadows and little increase like this. Now from alpha channel to composition. Now put this layer top. Now go to your new items. Create a new color matte. Okay. Take a solid white, solid red. Okay. Now drag and drop into your timeline. Now play one.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग गुड और मैं आज लेकर आई हूँ पार्ट 3 ड्रेनेज क्लास 9 ज्योग्राफी। इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करने वाले हैं डेल्टा और एस्चुअरीज के बारे में। तो अभी तक पिछले 2 वीडियो में हमने रिवर सिस्टम्स के बारे में काफी कुछ पढ़ा, तो अब हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह से हिमालयन रिवर्स एंड पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स जो है वो डेल्टा या एस्चुअरीज बनाती हैं।
Like this, we will remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019. In next class, I will show you how to put backgrounds. In next class, I will show you how to put different backgrounds. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.